Welcome back. Hi guys. So today we're gonna learn more about Go, and today's topic is directory structure and the environment variables that are required to run the Go programs. So first of all, let's talk about the directory structure, how we manage the Go code in the directories. So for Go code, we need three main directories. The first one is source. Now, source is the directory which holds the location for your source code. It's the your programming or development code that you do. So source is the directory which holds that. For example, .go files, another like .c files. So those files are kept in source. Now, the second one is package. Package directory holds installed package objects. Now these packages are the dependencies that you can have in your code. So those are kept in package. The third one is bin. Bin directory holds compiled commands. When we say compiled commands, for example, like if you want to generate the fakes in your code, so you don't need to import the packages of the counterfeiter, but you can just simply create an executable of that and put it in the bin folder, and every time you will run the command for that, the executable will be picked from the bin folder. Now comes the environment variables that are required when we are working in Go. So the first is go root. Now go root is a variable that defines where Go SDK is located, or in layman term, if I say, is the directory where, or is the location for your directory where your Go is installed. So it's in Windows, like it's mostly the C and the Go folder in the C drive. Now the second comes Go path. Now this variable, it contains the root of your workspace. When we are saying workspace, it's the parent directory of these three directories. And if I give you an example of this, is for example, you have a D drive, and there you have projects, and in there you have Go. Now all these directories are in this. So your workspace is this one, and Go path will be this. After this comes Go OS or Goose. Now the full form is Go operating system. So it is a variable that defines what targeting operating system for your executables. For example, you're gonna build your code. Now it could be a scenario where you're developing in a Windows environment, but your targeted environment is Linux. So in that case, you don't need to change your machine. It just you need to tell your Go compiler for which operating system you want to build your code. So that is done by GoOS. Now there is one more, that is Go Arc. Now, or Go Arch. This is Go architecture. Now in an operating system also, there are multiple architectures that you want to follow. For example, like you want to say in Linux 386, it's Intel 80386 microprocessor against which you want to build your code. So that's what you can define through Go Arch. So that's all for today's. Thank you.